Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's take a moment to look at XRP today. We have seen this one today fall by about 0.5% at the time of filming. That's not really too significant. I think what is significant though is the levels that we are coming up to now, as you could be entering a point where we are about to see a major breakout here. I'd like to discuss why I think this could be the case. I'll be sharing all of my thoughts on this and opinions, and all of the levels that I am looking towards to see what could come next. If you enjoy these sorts of videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does help the channel a lot. At the same time, remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Before we jump fully in, I'd like to also let you know, if you do enjoy these updates, you can find a lot more detailed updates on the first pinned comment. The first pinned comment will take you over to the Patreon, where there are more resources for you guys to have. Anyway, jumping over here, what stands out? Well, like I say, not necessarily levels to the downside. We know this one's been running up for some time, since 277. We've seen a solid run up since. Now we're finding new supports, which are looking more like 297, which we have seen as a key level, to be fair, a couple of times in the past, here and here as well. So that is not kind of unexpected, but now that we are finding this potential bottom, the question then becomes, well, what is the potential upside here? And I think that we do have a lot of it. Now, it does appear to be the case that we are having difficulty just breaking out of this initial level, which I'm going to call $3, $3.05. If we can push above that, then you are looking to retest levels such as 310, 311. And I think this is where things get particularly interesting. Anything above 315 is where we've seen a lot of resistance in the past, right? We're just, for a long time, struggling to get above this. Last time we were above this level for a consistent amount of time was well before, what, the 15th of August? So, you know, we've got a key level of resistance there. If we can see a push past this initial difficulty that we're seeing, roughly 304, 305, then you're looking for a potential push up there. Now, if that happens, and if we're able to break into the 316s, 320s, let's say, I think you've got a real potential here. Then you're looking, of course, to 331 and beyond. I think at the moment, though, it's actually quite interesting the way that things have played out. We are finding a very nice bottom. We've had that kind of cool off time period, as you can see, after this major rally upwards. I don't think that's a bad thing. I think that's actually a good thing at all. Now you're seeing indicators really cooling off. RSI, if anything, was coming more towards the oversold side, and now we're slightly more neutral. We're actually pretty neutral. I think things now have cooled off to a point where we are potentially at a very interesting point for a further leg up, and it's going to be really interesting to see if this actually does play out into the next couple of days. I think there is a lot of potential here, but of course it is based on those key levels as I mentioned. So yeah, make sure you're doing your own research, guys. Let me know what you think to this one. I think this is something here which we're coming to a point, right? We're definitely coming to a point. We've had that time to cool off. We're taking ourselves to this new level, and I think things are getting interesting. A little bit more information on the Patreon and resources coming up now. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right, guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.